Yeah, I'm allergic to Snapple. I'm also allergic to water.
Really? Water?
Hey, I'm allergic to people putting change into a jar. Hey, I'm allergic to people shuffling cards. Hey, I'm allergic to machines shuffling cards too, actually. Hey, I'm allergic to people flossing. I'm allergic to Axe deodorant. Dude, man, I'm allergic to gum. Can you spit it out? Thank you.